What's going on, everyone? FRL here, and today we're doing one pack magic Surgeon Sparks. We're still looking for the Pikachu. Is today the day? Let's find out. Plus, there's Emily's pack of Surgeon Sparks, so hopefully it is today. We have Magnemite, Slackoth, we have an Oricorio, we have a Flapple. I love that little dragon Pokemon. Annihilate, Jasmine's Gaze. We got a Reverse, Tapu Lele. Hey, we got a Kecleon EX. Oh, not EX. Kecleon Illustration Rare. See how many we can find. Got the main one. Got a little pink one. A little orangish. That's 3. Got one by my thumb. Right there by my next thumb. Well, see you next time.